Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a customized background for using Canva for any of your graphics, whether you want to use it for your TikTok, carousel, or Instagram, or even Facebook. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Go to canva.com. After it loads, we are going to use click on create design or customize design. I always use 1080 by 1080. Now let's get started on our blank page on our blank Canva. Move down to where it says background color. We click on it. Usually click on it. Go to that, add a new color. When you click on add a new color, it will give you solid color or gradient. Other than one, let's take the gradient color. Here we can just choose any color that we want. Add a new color. Most of it is always the default color always come with black and white. So choose any color that you want to use. After you choose it, now let's choose the style. The style you want to use here is that circular gradient. Click on it. When you click on it, you'll see the cover is already changed. Now, after you click on it, let's add our image or any type of background you want to use. So now we go to the elements, read elements, go to the photo. From that photo size, take any type of graphic or photo you want to use there. Take it. Immediately you click on it, it will show in our Canva, the Canva page that we are working on. Immediately show it. Make sure you size it to full that page. And after it full the page, now click on edit. Then you click on edit image. You edit, so it will load. When it loads, give it some minutes. Give it some minutes. That image. When you click on image, it loads, finish. Now scroll down and click on dual tone. That's what we are going to use. Click on dual tone. When you click on it, it will give you different variations of dual tone that is there, the graphic. So choose anyone that matches very well with whatever you want to design. Now for me here, we are going to take the pop style. Maybe I take the pop style. You see the ink density of it, you can reduce it. So after you reduce it, just click out of it and then go to our transparent. Click on transparent. So here you have to reduce it to whatever percentage you want it to be. So just reduce it from that 100 to maybe 30, but it depends on what you want to use it for and how you want that purple to be bright. After that, this is how you create your customized background with Canva. So now if you want to add text, you can add any text you want. You can add on it. Now me, I want to do it, so I'm just little Valentine gifts. If you want to use it for TikTok and carousel, you can go ahead. If you want to use it for carousel for your Instagram page, you can go ahead. That is it. Yeah. See the final work. Thank you for watching. Please kindly remember to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. It will help me to grow this channel and encourage me to do more. Thank you.